Well, today's the day. I've done enough talking and planning. It's time to put my money where my mouth is. Let's get started. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Before I get to the chain link, let's look at the rose bushes. Nice. Kind of windy out here, too. I'm going to have to replace this grill cover, but it comes down, all the way down. All of this. I got to get rid of it. It's time. It's time to move forward, move on from this. Look at my white plants. Nice. Yeah, this has to go. It's just horrible. It's just time for something new. We could do better than this. Let's do it. I have 10 snips, but these are straight cut. Got them from Menards. Saw them in one of those big bins in the middle of the aisle before you make it to the cash register. I'm sure they'll come in handy. You see how the metal ties or the metal string keeps the chain and the pole together. So I'm just going to cut them and separate them. Make it easy, right? Several more I have to do, but these snips really came in handy. So I'm almost finished with this. The bottom is giving me a hard time. Otherwise, this would be done. Looks like I have to bring in the big dog. Do yourself a favor. Before you use any type of machinery, tools, get some eyewear. Okay, I'm sure the Sawzall can take it from here. Very confident that this will work. For obvious reasons, I couldn't record and use the Sawzall, but it gets a Whitley thumbs up. It's great. If you don't have one and you need it, go out and get it. Done. Just like that. Chain link is gone. A neighbor took it away. Appreciate that. Just have the poles left. That thing is amazing. Ryobi, you guys really know what you're doing. Nothing's easy. As I started to remove the pole, water started shooting out the bottom of it. I don't want to damage this tool, so I'm going to have to find another way to do this. I'm sure there's water in all of them. I've done a lot of digging around the concrete post. Might use the sledgehammer to break it up. We'll see. Unfortunately, I lost the shovel, and the sledgehammer isn't really great for something like this. I'll figure it out, though. Finally, I did it. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Show the muscles. Go ahead. Flex. You deserve it. Unbelievable. This was built to last. I don't know what was going on back in the day. Maybe they had a bunch of chain link fence bandits and they had to put these poles so deep into the ground to keep people from stealing them. Whatever the case, I'm telling you, this was hard work. Now, some people will get a jack and jack the post out of the ground. I didn't want to do all that. I thought I could do it without having to bust a sweat. I was wrong, completely wrong. Now I know what I'm dealing with, and it'll be a lot easier moving forward. I'll get it done. Now you can understand by looking at this angle what I was dealing with. There's still about 2 feet worth of pole in that hole. You live and you learn, I guess. I'm getting it done. This is the last one. I'll have to cut this gate here, make it work. I'll figure it out. Keep that. This has to go. Oh yeah. Got to figure out a way to remove it from the wall. Ryobi to the rescue. It cut through this like a knife cutting through butter. No problem whatsoever. I love it. You got to get one. You might need it one day. I don't want to cut too much of this. That'll work. Let's figure out a way to remove this wood. Get rid of this. Oh yeah. I'm not an expert, but if somehow you manage to put nails through wood that went through brick, you shouldn't have too much trouble removing the wood. So you just take a shovel, use it like a crowbar, and it'll do the job for you. Who had this bright idea? If someone asks me what's harder, removing a chain link fence or putting up a wood fence, my money would be on removing a chain link fence. Finally, it's done. The last one out of the ground. I hope I never, ever have to do anything like this again. This is probably like a day's worth of work already. Next, I plan on using stakes and string in order to line up the post correctly. I'll be using the 3-4-5 method. I learned it online. Thought it was good. I'll put a post here, and I want them to be leveled and in line with each other. And this is one way that you do it. Just do it the right way. Success. Finally got it. I messed up a few times, but that's to be expected. Okay, 5 feet. I'm going to put the first post here. It'll work well right there. And then they should all be lined up. I'll use these at the end. Oh yeah. Well, I know there's something we all can agree on. There's absolutely no turning back now. I'm in too deep. Guess it's just a matter of figuring out where the posts will be. I know they'll be 8 feet apart. That's the goal. That could change. A lot of holes, a lot of dirt, losing sunlight. Solar lights are coming on now. It's getting late. It's going to turn out good, guys. Don't worry about it. Trust me. I won't give up. I'll keep going, keep pushing, and live with the results. Thanks for watching. Bye.